Huamin Steel Ball has been engaged in the professional research, development, manufacturing, and export for 30 years. Its technical center has successively undertaken 2 national projects related to the production and heat treatment technologies of wear-resistant new materials and SAG forged balls, drafting 2 national industrial standards for grinding rods and grinding balls dedicated to the electrical industry, and filling the enterprise standard for patented automatic production equipment of grinding ball. Huamin holds 17 patents and an expert and professional service team with 60 members. The trademark of Huamin has registered in Madrid for trademark right protection in 30 countries. Huamin exports 70% of its products and has been honored as National Contract Honoring and Promise Keeping Enterprise and High and New Tech Enterprise. The patented new material of Huamin features the high-density metallographic structure and high-impact toughness, which is conducive to the quenching and tempering in a thermal condition and is suitable to produce various models of forged steel balls, forged silpeb, and grinding rods. 1. The automatic rotary rolling steel grinding ball production line. The production efficiency of the patented automatic rotary rolling steel ball production line, developed and produced independently by Huamin Steel Ball, is 30 times higher than that of the traditional air forging hammer. The equipment feeds materials automatically and uses a medium-frequency induction furnace for heating. The round steel bar is heated quickly and evenly and has little surface fire consumption. Even after the automatic thermal cutting, the steel rod is extruded by 2 spiral rollers for continual roll forging. It can produce 120 to 200 small-sized steel balls and 70 to 80 medium-sized steel balls every minute. Moreover, its production efficiency and product quality both reach the national leading level. 2. Rotary rolling steel ball production line. It is mainly used to produce large forged steel balls with diameter ranging from 100 to 150 millimeters, which can produce 8 to 10 pieces per minute. It enters the thermal cutting, forging and pressing, roll forging, quenching and tempering processes after induction heating, further improving the internal metallographic structure, toughness and hardness, these indexes of steel ball. 3. Shaowo New Automatic Forged Silpeb Production Line. It can produce 30 to 50 forged silpebs with Phi 50 by 60 millimeter every minute, whose production efficiency is 10 times higher than that of the casting technique. 4. Automatic Grinding Rod Production Line. The automatic grinding rod production line technique is listed as the National First Set project. Its grinding rod is produced through 4 processes, namely heating, straightening, heat treatment, and quenching. The innovative technique integrates the multiple traditional production links into one production line, which improves the output and reduces the labor cost and energy consumption. Formulate the new standard. All technical indexes of the forged steel balls, grinding rods, and forged silpeb produced by Huamin by adopting patented new materials, equipment, and techniques has exceeded the requirements of the YBT 091-2005. It has broken the record and improved the indexes in the original standard. For example, the large difference between the internal and external hardness of products, the low impact toughness, the large appearance tolerance, the high breaking rate, and the high out-of-round rate. The 8,000 time dropping test of the original standard is improved to 20,000 time dropping test, and the product remains unbroken after the test. Huamin is the drafter of the National Industrial Standard for Grinding Rod with the approval number 2014-0182-TYB. The standard for grinding rods determines the index of dedicated materials, production techniques, quality and service life, test conditions and performance, and solves the original defects such as disordered materials, broken rods, and lack of wear resistance. Utilize new techniques. Patented heat treatment quenching device. Patented tempering device. And NC automation of the steel ball production technique. The quality inspection flow. Patented steel grade smelting control. Factory inspection of steel bar. Core extraction inspection of finished products. Internal and external hardness inspection. Impact toughness inspection. Metallographic inspection of slicing. 30,000 time dropping test from the height of 7.5 meters. Issuing the certificate of quality. The quality inspection of each order follows the standards of the international professional organizations such as SGS and American Silver Lake and issues the third-party report for users. User experience. Provide the sealed drilled product sample and allow users to conduct a small batch of installation tests. Product traceability. Keep production, inspection, and supply records for every product order to realize the traceability of product quality. The patented grinding forged steel balls, grinding rods with heat treatment, and forged silpeb of Huamin are widely used by various world-famous large metal and non-metal enterprises such as Rio Tinto Group, BHP Billiton Limited, Peru Copper Incorporated, Ghana Gold Mine, Vale of Brazil, China National Gold Group Corporation, Shandong Gold Group Company Limited, and Zijin Mining Group Company Limited. The Huamin 5.5 inches forged steel balls are used for the ball mills in the copper mine of Vale. According to the test report, 0.523 kilogram steel balls are consumed for every ton of ore. Compared to the unit consumption index of the original American products of the same kind, 0.595 kilograms, the consumption is reduced by 12.1%. The Inner Mongolia Wushan Copper Molybdenum Mine of China National Gold Group Corporation can process 40,000 tons of ore every day. Its semi-automatic mill with diameter of 8.8 meters by 4.8 meters utilizes the Huamin Phi 120 millimeter forged steel balls. The 550-gram steel balls are consumed for production every ton of ore, which can save nearly RMB 6 million yuan every year as being compared to the casting iron balls of original suppliers. One, the usage report of Vale of Brazil. 2. The evaluation of Anglo Gold Ashanti Limited on utilization of Huamin steel ball. 3. The recognized supplier of Rio Tinto Group. 4. The usage report of the Sanshandao Gold Mine of Shandong Gold Group Company Limited and the usage report of Rushan Jinzhou Group. 5. The usage report of grinding rod users. Before sales, Huamin professional sales and service team will go to the mine for investigation and customize product consumption reduction plans. Huamin inspects wear-resistant products and ore for users freely and issues professional inspection reports. As for the steel balls and grinding rods sold, specialized service personnel are stationed at the mines of major customers. As for the equipment sold, Huamin Steel Ball is responsible for equipment installation, production technologies, and supply of rollers for equipment. Huamin headquarters sets 24-hour hotline to solve problems online. The service personnel can arrive at domestic users' mines within 24 hours and foreign users' mines within 2 weeks. Huamin undertakes all kinds of freight transport and distribution work at home and abroad with professional logistics. Creating value for customers and prosperity for society is the eternal tenet of Huamin. Creating century-old Huamin and world-famous steel ball brand is the eternal pursuit of Huamin. Huamin Steel Ball constantly makes innovation, guides the industry to adopt to the new normal, and continues transformation and upgrading through the operation of China's innovation platform of the China First Ball website. Today, Huamin is striding forward towards the goal of realizing the ecological industrial chain of grinding materials and striving to make brilliant achievements again.